You care, but no one else cares.
Yeah,
but I do care.
You care, but no one else.
Yeah, I said I do care. If no one else doesn't care, I do not mind.
Bro, stop making care no care. It's wasting time.
Nothing.
Did anyone notice that I had doors?
Nothing.
Ha.
All right, Proud.
There's nothing.
What happens when you click the my project one again? Okay.
Bum-ba-da-da.
All right. Well, I would say I'll help you after class, but it seems like you're not going to be able to get your original project. Okay. Why can't Unity open?
There is a new version of the UnityEngine.
All right. Proud. Do this. Click OK, and then click on the 3 dots on the right, and then show and explore.
Nothing.
Then you might need to. Oh, no, show click on new project, a different one. Oh no. Go ahead and click cancel. And then click on like one of any other of your projects. Click on the 3 dots on the right of any other project. Now click show and explore. Anything happen?
Yep, it shows the files.
Huh. Weird.
But my project one, it says modified 7 days ago.
All right.
But like I can't do anything with it.
And you can't open it. All right, Proud. For now, you might have to try and make a new project so you can do the class. I have all the code.
So I have to just delete it.
Yeah, for now, remove from list. Yeah.
I think the reason is you don't have enough storage, because when you open a project, it has to like run like a bit of some storage, maybe.
Teacher.
Yeah,
I have Unity Hub and Unity.
Teacher, Unity is not very good. When I delete my project and I named the project same, it said project already been named. I even delete the projects that I named, and I named the project the same name again. It is broken. You need to. It's no way. It's yeah. You need to change the name.
Okay. One last thing, Proud. Try. Do you know how to open Explorer on Windows? The actual like Explorer thing.
Wait.
Welcome everyone.
Why is it so laggy?
All right, yeah, I would say probably go ahead and try to open a new project. And
This is the last class project.
all right. That should work.
But Should I use this one?
Yeah, click on that movement file on the bottom there. Okay. Yeah, that seems decent.
Sorry, I'm late. I'm sorry, I'm late.
It's okay.
can
Proud, you can go ahead and click on the circle, scroll down, and see that movement script. Click on the bars on the right on the movement script.
Yeah.
The 3
Yes.
bars on the very top right. There you go. And then click remove component.
Why?
Because you're gonna put a new script in there.
Okay.
'Cause that's the old one.
So I'm gonna use this project for this project.
Yeah. And go ahead and click add component, type in control, and then put in character controller. Just so we're up to date with what we have here. All right, so hello everyone, welcome, welcome. Let's go ahead. Today, we're going to learn how to make camera movement. Specifically, the type of camera movement you see in like shooter games, where move your mouse and you just immediately look around and your cursor is like locked in one place, you know.
I
all that.
made a 3D
Teacher, I
platform.
can't do a 2-screen right now.
Teacher,
Okay, finally.
I made a 3D platformer.
Nice. If you actually soon, I will show you guys how to like export stuff. Probably next week. That way you have other people play it and stuff. Okay. So go ahead and click on your project.
Teacher,
Mine-
are we just going next class? Are we going to like just export it to our desktop first?
Yeah, I think that next class we'll go over like adding some little stuff and then doing an export.
To the desktop.
Yeah. And then you can like email it to people and they can run it. All right, let me share my Unity.
So like we have like a wish list on Steam, and then we're gonna tell them when we're gonna release.
Yeah.
Teacher,
Um,
why you have 2 screen? I only have
Oh,
1
right.
screen.
There you go.
Yeah, there's 2 screens.
We're probably never gonna release to Steam just because it's like $100 for a Steam license. But there's a lot of other websites you can release your game onto, and they're all free.
App Store.
App Store is a whole thing. It's very difficult to release to the App Store. They really
I'm
monitor
going-
stuff.
I'm going to release a candy game. Maybe not. And put it in Shiny App Store. Not really.
If you get on there, tell me. I will check it out. Oh, if it's on the Chinese one, I'm not sure I'm gonna take to check it out, but I'll try. Okay.
I'm not doing that anyways. It's just a joke.
But you can do in Roblox. You can script on Roblox.
Ooh,
Wait a
yeah.
minute.
Oh,
Wait a
I
minute.
can remake doors in
Teacher.
3D. I can remake
Teacher,
doors.
what if I open the other projects that I still have?
That works. Yeah.
Boom, I can remake doors. I'm going to remake doors.
I
Wait,
think
let me close
you
this
need-
one.
I think you need to learn a lot though, because those
Yeah.
are very
I'm closing that
advanced
one.
scripting.
And I'm opening a new one.
Okay. Yeah.
Maybe this is from the last
No one likes Screech, you know?
Yeah, probably if you're able to
Screech
figure it out,
is
that'd be
annoying.
great.
I love
Um,
Screech.
I like
Screech is
And if you-
annoying.
Oh, and probably if you
Like
can't figure it out, you
Rush
can just
is
like
even
remake it.
worse.
I love
Rush is even worse. It'll just say
Katie, if you have a question, you can unmute.
I like Seek because it's like you know it chases you. It chases you and it's kind of fun. I love when it chases you very fast,
It's very yummy in octopus.
bruh.
so.
All right, Kyle, what were we saying? You can go ahead, Proud. Or not Proud, Katie.
When are we gonna log indoors in Ohio?
Yes. I'm going to open
But
that
when I-
project.
When I click it says no license in manage. And when I click manage in license, I don't even have to do it yet. License.
Uni license?
Hey,
I-
teacher,
so
what about
the enemies? The enemies.
We'll make that in a week or two.
Teacher, but you
the
need to make a
other
teleporter.
Teacher, the other project that I opened, it was empty. It wasn't a project that we used, but it was just the test project. So I'm
Alright,
opening the other one now.
Okay.
I deleted that one because I didn't use it.
Mhm.
Now I have one project.
All right, Katie, if it says you don't have a license, let me, here I will, real quick, switch to, you can go ahead and go to this little preferences, the little like circle thing on the top left, click preferences, and then to licenses. And then there should be a button that says like manage licenses or add license. And then scroll down, click on personal, and it should all be good. You might need to log in.
Do I need to do that too?
If you can open the project, you should need to. Although, yeah, if you were able to create the project, you should have the license on there.
Oh,
So,
I already have
Yeah,
a
Katie,
license.
you should be just click like Doors in Ohio. Click that. It should open the project.
Okay, go, go, go. Oh. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I can do this. I can.
I am bigger.
All right. So
I like Seek.
if we have our
My name is
No,
Unity
figure
open,
can't see. Figure can't see like green.
But he can't hear you. And he is fast. He is cool. Look at his animations, bro.
His animation when he's on door 50 was kind of good. Like because he's kind of running around the library.
Have you played a new update? I want.
Alright,
I
everyone,
did play the new update.
Yeah,
No, I haven't played the new update, but if you want to play, tell me so I can tell you.
Yes,
No,
I want to
that's
get the
very good.
Jesus. Kill every.
all right, everyone, let's go ahead and begin coding. So if everyone is on your
Oh.
Unity hub, the first thing we're going to do is click on your main
Wait.
player.
Teacher.
Yep.
I don't know where's my player now because I made 3 stages now. I don't know where's my player.
Yeah, you should be able to see it on the left side. It might be like capsule. That's one thing why it is nice to name it. Click enter. You like change the name. You like player.
Okay.
Yeah, depending on how much you have, you might have to like scroll up on the left side all the way to the top, but you should be able to find it. Usually near the top, near like directional light. All right. So we have the player. Oh, let me quick. There we go. Go down to yep.
I want a smooth movement. I need to add a rigid body. Yeah, smooth movement.
I want to get
This
the
movement
skeleton.
is pretty smooth enough, I feel like.
Like the game.
If you want
like
the skeleton key, you need to
Right.
go to
Oh, you want like sliding, like
52.
where
Yeah,
you
I
saw
know.
before
I
this?
know. That's the new update, and I want the.
like teacher, like Carlson, the movement is very smooth. Carlson.
Yeah. I will
You mean
next
Danny's
time-
game?
next time near
that
the end of
is game.
class, I'll show you how to like add
That
that.
is Funny game.
There's ways to do that, yeah.
Teacher, you unmute yourself.
Oh wow, thank you.
You're welcome.
Teacher,
When did that
Can-
happen? All right, Katie, you can go ahead.
teacher, can you make like arm of the capsule and like make a first person and you can see your arms and legs like in first person?
Eventually. Probably next week we get into like modeling and stuff. But first off, Katie, you want to say something? You had your hand raised.
I kind of forgot how to like get the license.
Oh yeah. Katie, you should have the license. What happens when here? Let me real quick. So Katie, you're on the Unity Hub. What happens if you click on the project, Northern Ohio, whatever you named it? What happens if you click on it?
It says no license activated.
Huh. All right. So it's the little circle on the top left. It says preferences. Preferences. Then you go down to licenses right here. Then there should be like a manage license or add license. And then go down to personal, click that, should be good.
I don't see any personal.
Add. Should see, yeah, get a free personal license.
Uh-huh.
And click that.
Okay, I clicked it.
All right, what does it say now? Because it should all be good now.
It still says no license activated.
All right, Proud, go ahead and share your Unity Hub. Oh, wait, sorry, not Katie. Go ahead and share your Unity Hub. My mistake.
Jesus. Ah. Oh my God.
All right, so what happens if you click add license? Huh. Jesus.
Oh my God. Unity is.
Why would I let you click X? And oh, sign in. Right there below add. Okay, go ahead and sign in. I'll go off it that way. Yeah, go ahead and click sign in and then do the process signing in. If you can remember like your email and password.
Teacher, do we get to make online shooter platformer?
Eventually we'll get to that, yeah.
Oh,
Online is like a whole thing. But yeah, eventually I'll show you how to add that.
Yay! Thank you, teacher.
Welcome.
Doesn't online have to be like published to Steam first or like published to a game platform in order to make it online?
Not necessarily. To make it like truly online, like you have a server and stuff, where like, yeah, basically there's two types of online. There's true online, which goes from like everyone connects to one server, and then you have to like pay for the server. Then there's LAN, which means as long as there's multiple computers in your house, you can like send it to your family, they can open it up, and then you make a LAN connection over your own internet, and then you can all play together.
What?
Oh, that's that's nice.
Teacher, do you actually know how to put like our Unity game in Play Store?
I don't know how to do it on the Play Store, because I haven't done that particular one. but I'm sure I
want
can show you guys how to.
I want to post it on Steam.
Yeah, I'll show you guys how to post it somewhere. We'll see about like where, because some places are harder than others. Some places require money, like Steam. You have to like pay money to put it on there.
How much is it? How much?
It's like $100 per game. It's a lot.
$100?
Most places are better, but like Steam is steep.
Goodness.
But there's a lot of games where you can, a lot of like websites for downloading games, and you can put up on there. But for now, let's go ahead and begin class because we are already behind. We were like 30 minutes past.
Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Teacher,
Let's-
I want to tell you something that like, like when you want to make a group on Roblox, you need to spend 100 Robux for making a group. And I really want to make a group for like, anime's fan. Like, yeah.
Teacher,
like
I
All right.
can't move. I can't move, and I have an error at the bottom of
Alrighty.
my screen.
All right. Let's, just because I only have 30 minutes left, I'm going to have to help you after her class. In fact, for basically this whole time here, I'm not gonna be helping people just because I'd like to show the actual code first. Everyone can go ahead and like write it out, like follow along, and then afterwards I can help everyone. Tends to be easier if I do that and just
I
help
think
everyone all
it's
in one go.
okay.
So are you going to write the code, or are you just going to open the code that you already write and show us, and then we do the coding?
I'm going to be writing the code, actually.
Oh, yay!
No.
I always have the problem. Even in like the old class, like HTML.
Can I share my screen?
Oh,
Proud,
HTML.
not right now.
I finished every single HTML, but not every single, but just lots of HTML projects.
All right, so let's go ahead here. On the player, go ahead and click add a component. Type in look, L-O-O-K. Don't click look at constraint. Click on the one beneath it, new script, and then click create and add.
Teacher, where is it?
Done.
Teacher, where is it? I don't see create and add something. Like
Should
that.
be, if you click new
I added
component
it.
and then type in the
added
word
it.
look, should be at the very bottom, new script. Then at the very bottom of that, create and add.
Unity
Look at constare.
extremely slow right now. I don't
Teacher,
know
look at
why.
constare.
To be clear, it's not look at constraint. That is a component. It is the one below it. It says new script.
Teacher, I don't see it. What do I need to type?
Click add component. Type in look, L-O-O-K. Now
Look.
remember, what you're typing in here, you're not actually typing in like you're looking for something. You're just typing in the name that you're going to make your script. It's a little easier that way. Type in look, click on new script, and then it just kind of makes the class for you when you click create and add.
Oh, the player's here, bro.
All right, and then you can go ahead and double click on look, that little hashtag with look at the very bottom. Mine says look script, ignore that.
Teacher,
Oh, I have a notepad.
teacher.
Yep.
It's like I don't have the movement thingy down here, the hashtag movement thingy down here. What do I do?
Oh, you're on scenes. At the very left, there's a word that says assets, A-S-S-E-T-S, bottom left, way bottom.
Assets.
Yeah, click on that.
Yeah,
There you
yeah.
go, now you're in the big thing.
Oh, and I click this, right? And
Yep.
then
Yeah.
I search for
Look,
And then new script, and then create and add.
new script.
There you go.
Create an app.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Good job. All right, and here is our look script. Oh, I have.
Teacher, Katie. Katie's raising her hand.
Oh, Katie, yeah, you can go ahead and unmute.
My mom, but it still says no active license.
All right. If you're signed in though, you should be you should be able to go ahead and click add license. In fact, does anything say like you need to sign in? Like, is there a warning? If not, it should be able to go ahead and click like add license, then get a free personal license.
There is that there. I can click get a free personal license.
All right.
Wait, teacher, can
Was it a can or can't? Can or cannot?
Can't.
teacher, can we make an invisible wall in Unity?
We can. I'll show that later. For now, though, we're on our script. Katie, if you can go ahead and open your file and then add a script to the player. If you need help
Teacher.
when you open it, I will show you. Yep.
Here, invisible wall is very useful. So when you go off the map, you can't go off the map because there's a invisible wall.
Yeah.
You know? Like Garden of Ban.
Yeah.
There's some
Yeah, invisible walls are very easy to create. I'll show you.
know
in a moment.
I have an invisible
Oh,
wall, so
Gilbert,
now you can't walk out
there's-
of the platformer space.
There's a secret egg in the next room of next to
Yeah,
the
you get the purple
bird
key.
thing.
You get the purple key.
No, it's a swipe card, not
All
a
right.
key.
Real quick,
It's a
Katie,
purple
share your
swipe
screen.
card. Teacher, I made an invisible wall.
All right, Katie, very bottom right, click manage licenses. Or top right, my bad. Top right says manage licenses.
Teacher, why
works too.
do I have a sun? Why do I have a sun on like beside the player?
That is the lighting.
The sun is for the shadow.
Yep, Katie,
Can
add
I delete
license.
it? Can I
No,
delete it?
you do not want to. It'd be something it'd be very dark all of a sudden.
Oh yeah, you're
Oh
right.
shoot. Katie, I'm gonna have to help you after class. I have no idea.
See?
Unfortunately, you might have to watch the recording of the class. My apologies. 'Cause I don't know why that would happen. You might need to update it.
Yeah.
Sound like an IT support guy. Update it, turn on, off. All right. So let's go and look at the code here.
Teacher, is it the look thingy, the look script?
Yeah, let me.
Okay.
Yeah, here I have my look script. I also have look notes.
How do you do color stuff? You do like click right on the components and then create material.
Yeah. I say do it on the assets area on the bottom, that little like square that has your scripts and all that. Right click, go to yeah, it should be a big little text area, says material. And then you can like click up the box, the little white box in top right, double click that, change the color, drag it in. So let's go ahead. Let's go ahead. So we have our looked script here. We're gonna make a couple of variables at the very top. We'll call it float, F-L-O-A-T, float. Float, mouseX, then a semicolon. Oh, apparently we end in 10 minutes. Okay. Have to be really quick.
Teacher,
I just need to wait for a minute. Microsoft Visual Studio is opening a file.
All right. Yeah, float mouseX semicolon.
Big
We
X.
use float instead of int like we normally do. Int being number. Main thing is that int you can't use decimals. It has the 1, 2, 3, 4. Only what are called integers. You can't use like 1.5, 1.3258. Which is why you have float, because float is just means whatever. You can put 1, you can put 1.009. Whatever you need. And quickly, we just make the other variable, exact same thing, float, mouse, capital Y, semicolon. Float mouse, capital X, float mouse, capital Y. And these will be variables to store what the user is trying to do with their mouse, where the user's mouse is. That way we can kind of follow it to look around. All right, if you see me go over to this code, I wrote it earlier, that way I don't get the stuff wrong. All right, one more thing we'll write as a variable. Let's do what is called public, P-U-B-L-I-C, public. Then we'll do space float, space speed, semicolon. We do public, that way we can change it later. Other components can change it. We can change it within Unity. It's a public variable, so anything can affect it. Useful for if you have like an options window and you want to change the like mouse sensitivity or how fast you look.
Sure, my computer is laggy.
Oh, rip. Good luck.
Rip computer. It's not rip, but it's like a new computer. I don't know.
All right, that thing. Okay. Oh yeah, one more thing. Public. One more variable, public space, and then capital T transform. Capital T, then R-A-N-S-F-O-R-M, transform. Remember, transform is basically where the thing is at. Transform is like a variable, like an integer, a number. This is a transform. Public transform, and then cam, C-A-M, semicolon. Cam for camera. And we use public because instead of doing like get component to get it, to get our camera, we're just actually going to drag our camera into this component, which I'll show you how to later. It's like an easy way of getting components. All right, so those are
teacher,
our
I can't
4
move.
variables. I'll help you in a bit.
Teacher, what
Hopefully,
are you
for
going
now
to
you'll be able to
do?
look around.
Teacher, what are you going to do?
We are going to make looking. We'll be able to look around
Like, oh, I see.
like in a shooter.
The
If-
camera moves with you.
I think if a shooter, I think like there will be like a cursor and like, you know, it's like a sniper and then you just click to shoot.
Yeah. We won't do the cursor this time because that's gonna be more like a UI thing. But we will have it where the mouse is like always in the center, then you look around. Okay, next thing. We have our 4 variables. Let's go to update. And let's type in mouseX is equal to Input.GetAxis. There's Input.GetAxis, GetAxis. Remember, like a lot of things in Unity, the beginnings of each of these words are capitalized. The G, I, and A are all capitalized. Get access, left parenthesis, quotation marks, and then like capital M, yeah, capital M mouse, space, capital X. this mouseX is not the same as our variable. This getAxis input mouseX just means, okay, what is the user inputting with the mouse? Is it moving it to the left? Is it moving it to the right? What's going on? There's a space because again, mouseX is not our variable. We're telling you to get me the X, the horizontal movement of the mouse. So we're getting it, we have to get it like a cool little way. We give you spaces and stuff. Has to be capitalized M.
Teacher, something just went wrong and everything just disappeared.
Like all your code?
Disappeared. Yep. No.
Try.
Just the line that mouse X equal input get T-axis and mouse thingy.
All right, try Control Z or Command Z.
Command V. Okay, got it.
Nice.
Oh, that was
You probably
frustrating.
put Command Delete by accident. All right, and then finally outside the parentheses, we're gonna do times, little Shift X, and then speed, SPEED, semicolon at the very end, times speed. That way you can make it faster whenever you need to. Oh yeah, one little thing I just realized, we should actually set what speed is. So go ahead in your variable, speed equals, and then like 10. Just make that real quick. Otherwise, you're not gonna be able to look. All right.
When can I see the variable?
The code.
Yeah.
There you go.
Okay.
Oh, and actually, there's just one more like quick line we can do here,
Yeah.
which is new line, and then mouse, or no, wait, the mouse, no, it is transform, this time with a lowercase t, transform, dot capital R rotate. So transform TRANSFORM dot rotate, capital R, then OTATE, transform.rotate. Transform. This isn't the camera, this is the actual body. This is your player. Transform, because this script is on the player, everyone like Unity knows what you mean by transform. It means take the player, dot rotate. Okay, we're going to rotate the player. So when we look, our actual body is going to rotate in the direction that we look. Transform.Rotate, left parenthesis. Oh, now we need to say how we're going to rotate. We don't want to rotate at all along the x-axis, which is actually more like this. So do 0, comma, space, and we want to rotate along the y-axis, which is a little confusing, but we do mouse X here. So rotate, left parenthesis, 0, comma, mouse X, comma, space, 0, semicolon. Each of these numbers says like in what direction you want to rotate. First one is in the X direction, second one in the Y direction, third one the Z direction. And in rotation, Y is actually the direction we want to go, because rotation is kind of wonky. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and save that.
Control S.
Yep, Control F, thank you, or Command F on Mac. I will, wait. Yeah, hang on.
Saved.
I'm going to, oh no. Put the code real
What
quick
are
in
you
chat. That way,
doing?
if you, there we go. That way, if you're not done coding.
When
What
you're
about
the
me?
second,
Hello?
I saw that.
I totally forgot about the timer.
I think I'm second. I
Yeah,
saw you.
Win-Win, you're second. I'm first. I saw you join and then the others just joined at the same time. Win-Win, you're second.
No, I mean I'm second.
No, Win-Win
I'm
is
second.
second.
You say
Yeah.
that is not important. Why do you say it again?
I'm
I
second.
literally saw you guys all join at the same time, but Win-Win was second. Drinking milk.
Also, well done on everyone for getting in before me. I honestly don't know how. I have it on the other window.
Win second. Win-Win is the second. I saw it. Boom, stop. Boom.
They're like in the same time with teacher.
Boom.
Teacher Queen.
Boom. Shoot.
Teacher, I have an error.
I came at the best time. Me and Katie came at the right time.
I got kicked out.
You
I
guys came
got
too
kicked
early.
out.
Got it. Skip. Got it. Got it. Skip. Got it.
Queen subs very in the chat.
Oh yeah, let's not spam too much in
Stop.
chat here.
Boom, stop. Win-Win is second.
If you spam too much, then I feel like a giant 32 or something next to my chat.
Boom.
Yeah,
Boom,
dude.
stop.
I have an
That's
error.
annoying. Boom, stop.
Actually, who's this on? Pepper? You can actually see in the very bottom a little red line, and it says what's
Teacher,
going
I
on.
got kicked out.
And in your case, Pepper, it says look and then line. What does it say there? I can't see. It says look and then a number. That
Teacher,
should be the line that it has the error. And Pepper, if you go to that line, you should need a semicolon at the very end.
Teacher,
This is like 13.
mine has two
Okay.
errors. Teacher,
All right. Because we're waiting for people to come in, you can go ahead and share your screen.
teacher.
Okay, go ahead and share your screen, or however you need to show your code, or put your code in chat. Might be the easier way.
Teacher, I have an error. It says there's two errors, but there's no error. There's no error.
Okay.
Teacher,
no
can I
error.
get the code again?
Yeah, actually. No, wrong code. There, oh. There you go.
But it says there's a
What's that?
syntax error.
Then Mercury that. Go ahead and put your code in chat if you can. Like copy it, paste it in chat. I should be able to see what the error is. Also, if it says syntax error, it might say like what line. It should say like look and then a number. Maybe like it. I think Pepper had like line
24.
All right.
Teacher, it said 24, but I have no 24.
Go ahead and paste your code in chat for me. Also, does it say look or movement?
It says look.
All right. Okay, go ahead and paste your
Look.
code in for me. I can say it.
Oh, I am on my iPad because my computer has no speaker.
Oh.
Or
Hey, Proud and Poon, let's
camera.
stop. Poon. No more spamming.
Boom, stop. Win-Win is second. Now stop.
Please stop.
Bruh. Just I need it to be two. Just
I
bruh.
want to share my screen, okay? I can move.
I was literally chilling when Win-Win was second. I saw it. Literally
Yeah.
with my eyes. You are not second. Boom, stop. This is not a race.
I didn't raise anything. I just don't even know.
Can I please share my screen?
I don't even know.
Yeah, go ahead. Here. In fact, actually, for real though, Poon and Proud, no more spamming in chat, okay? Because I'm going to post a code there in case anyone
Stop.
is still
Poon.
coding. If you're still coding, you can go to chat and then like see it. Oh yeah, end of that line, transform.Rotate, it needs a semicolon. In fact, almost every line you write in your code in Unity needs a semicolon at the end. Otherwise, everything looks good. Good job. All right, let's go ahead. I'm going to
Teacher.
open my Unity here. Yep.
There's a second error. It works. I can't
Nice.
see left and right. Teacher, there's a second error.
All right,
And I
Murphy,
don't
I'll
know.
help you
Check it
in
out.
one moment.
It says on line 24, but I have no line 24. It says there's an error on a line that's not even real.
All right, I'll help you in a moment, but for now, if you see here, oh yeah. For now, everyone, go to your Unity hub, because there's something very important we need to do, and it's a little bit tough. So, we need to drag our main camera into our player, into the capsule. One easy way to do that is to grab the main camera, the top left, click it, and then like drag it, and then drag it into the scene. Oh, wait, no, can't do that. Okay, drag it right down where it says player or capsule or whatever your like player object is. Drag it down and see where it has no blue lines, but it has like this little arrow, and there's no blue line. It goes right into the player. Drop it, and you should now see the main camera being a low to the right, and is now inside the player. Is now its child. And now, when you click play, and you look around, you can actually look to the left and right fully. It's a little weird right now, but
Teacher, please.
Teacher, can I share my screen? Please.
all right, let me.
Teacher, hold, please.
I need to share my screen. This is crazy.
All right. Oh, I see a lot of spamming in chat here.
Teacher,
I have the
can I
I have
share
the
my
code copied.
screen?
Yeah, go ahead.
Mine is error. Mine is extremely error.
Teacher, look at this. Oh, wait. Yep, that happened. And the other time, it just jumped crazy.
All right, I'll
It's
try to
crazy.
figure out what's doing that. I'm not sure.
That is crazy.
Teacher,
Okay.
you copy, but
Crazy
you didn't
code.
send them to you.
This is a crazy code.
Okay, I'm going to put my code in chat again.
It's the bruh. Crazy code.
All right. Now, everyone, one thing I want to stress one more time. Everyone should make sure to grab their main camera and drag it into the player. Make sure if there's a blue line, you're going to end up dragging it like over or under it. Drag it into the player and drop it. Make sure it becomes a child. That's very important for this to work.
How?
Teacher.
Hold the mouse on main camera and like hold left click to drag it around on main camera, and then hover it right over where it says player. Make sure it's not a blue line. Make sure, because otherwise if you're going to drop it like over or under it, drop it into it, and you should see the main camera a little bit to the right, little arrow here, and
I
the main camera
cannot
without
do
child.
this. Teacher, I can't
Teacher,
do this.
can you make it like can you make it look up and look down?
I can't do this.
Yeah, I'll make up and down. in a
I have
moment.
an error. I have an error that cannot be fixed, and now it's just going sideways.
Oh, yeah,
Like
Carl,
crazy.
Carl, go ahead and share your screen real quick.
คำที่24
Okay. It is crazy.
you need
Click run.
อะไรเนี่ย
I click run, and then I just,
คำมาหรืออะไรสักอย่าง
Huh.
yep, it's gone. It's
นิ้ว
gone.
ซีมิโคลอนใช่ไหม
Oh, you know what? I think I know the problem, but I'm going to have to help you after class. That's gonna be like a whole thing.
ซีมิโคลอน
This is a nightmare.
Oh, I think I.
นี่สะกดว่าอะไร
คำที่หนึ่ง
ไม่ใช่นี่คืออะไรเนี่ย
float
float แปลว่าอะไรลอยเหรอ
ใช่
แปลว่า
float หมายถึง integer ก็คือศูนย์อะไรแบบเนี้ย
แล้วสะกดถูกไหม
แล้วแต่ float ก็คือพวก decimal อ่ะ
แล้วอันนี้สะกดถูกไหม
ก็ถูก
มัน FLOAT ป่ะ
All right, good explanation, Mercury. Yeah, that's exactly what a float is. Okay. Let me see what's going on here. All right. Okay? We're gonna have to go a little bit late, unfortunately, because there's a few lines of code I want to add here. So everyone, we have left and right. Let's go ahead and do up and down. Couple new lines after update, and then after this, I'll help everyone get the code going.
There's an error on line 9 and it says on the 24.
Oh, did it say like 9:24?
Yes.
All right, that means it's on line 9. It's not like character 24. Don't worry about that. It's on line 9. What does the actual error say?
It says there's a syntax error that has a
All right, you probably need a
Comma.
semicolon. Probably not line 9. You probably need a semicolon at the end.
no. There's a semicolon.
All right,
It's about a comma.
comma on line 9. You shouldn't have any commas in your code.
Wait,
Is it maybe on like rotate?
Davey?
All right, Mercury or that's thing or JP. Whatever.
yeah,
I will.
I'm using my sister's account.
Right.
Oh,
I will help
okay.
you in a little bit, because for now I'm just going to write out these few lines of code, and then we can do helping. So here's how to do up and down. Mouse Y, and then if this thing equals, we're going to say minus equals
ทำมัน
input
ตามครูไป
dot get
Tom.
axis, just like up above. Get axis, left parenthesis, quotation marks, exactly the same thing as here. And then instead of mouse X, we're going to do capital M mouse Y times speed. So almost the exact same thing as up here. Instead of X, it's Y. And instead of just an equal sign, it is minus equals. New line. Now, we can't just use transform.Rotate, because if we do, the entire body is going to rotate just straight up, and it's going to be super weird. So instead, we have to use
Teacher, I can't copy the code.
all right, I'll help you in a moment. But first, I like to get this code in because we're getting late. All right. So the first thing we're going to do is mouse Y equal sign, and follow along here because this is the tough part. Math, capital M, then ATH, math, with that math F,
Teacher, I
F at the
can't
end there.
copy.
You can copy in a bit.
You're too quick. You're quick with it.
All right. I'll write this line, and then I'll let everyone like take a second to
Okay, I can. I'm done.
All right.
I just need the last one.
Yeah, it's just right here. Mouse Y equals math F, and then afterwards I'll let everyone catch up. Is math F dot clamp, 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 left parenthesis, then mouse Y, comma space 0, comma space 0, semicolon at the end. Oh, my bad. Is that comma space 0? Is comma space -90, comma space 90?
Or
we go.
minus 90?
Yeah, minus 90.
Teacher,
9 is 0.
mouse, you forgot an E.
Oh, I did. Thank you,
Moose.
Pepper.
You're
Moose.
welcome.
Moose.
It's a moose. It's a moose.
Teacher,
Moose.
I just my
It's a moose. Moose. Moose.
my Wi-Fi is not good.
It's a moose. Moose. Moose.
Moose.
It's a moose.
All right. So
Teacher,
this
can you
is
scroll
actually,
up one, please?
oh yeah. There you go. That should be all the code.
Thank you.
Welcome. This line is the exact same thing as this one over here. You're just getting, okay, Unity, where am I? What is the user trying to do? Where is the mouse along the up and down? Mathf.Clamp, this is like a whole thing. Mathf is a bunch of functions you can do with math. .clamp basically means, okay, don't let this rotation along the X, Y, and the Z, don't let it go past these numbers. The numbers being negative 90 and 90. Why is this? Because if you notice in games,
errors. The 2 more errors now.
all right, I'll help you in about 5 minutes.
Teacher Queen.
Yep.
But you have 4 error.
All right. If you have an error, I'll help you in a bit.
I
There's
mean,
like
you have 4 error.
say
Look
again.
at down. Look at down at the blue one. The blue one.
Here math.f.
No. You have 4 error at the blue one. Like down there.
I don't see any errors.
I mean that it say you have 4.
Oh, this is spaces. If that's what you're talking about.
Another one at the left.
Oh, this is because this is actually a different project. If you see here, because of VS Code, I'm actually on another project. Don't worry about that.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. It's opening it next to another project. So VS Code is telling me I'm having errors when I technically am, but they're not important errors. Thank you though.
Okay.
So Mathf.Clamp basically means don't let the person look all the way up to the point where they start looking behind them. If you notice in like shooter games, you can look all the way up and all the way down, but you can't look all the way up and then like 360 like around you. That's what Mathf.Clamp does. That's how they do it. They say don't look past all the way up or past all the way down. Otherwise, you're going to go like Ferris wheel.
Ferris wheel head.
All right, and final line we're going to write here is, this is the tough one here. Okay.
It's gonna be a Ferris wheel head.
cam.transform is the camera, the transform of the camera. We're actually going to move the camera itself. Cam.transform dot local 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 rotation, capital R, then OTATION, local rotation.
Teacher, but it just popped on your screen. Why don't you just click it?
I would, but I'm sure you guys how to type it in. So.
But I know how to type it in.
Yes, but just so you can see it being typed in, Anna. Local rotation equal sign. This is the part where I have to look back at my notes because the tough one. Quaternion, then capital Q UATERION equals Quaternion.Euler, capital EULAR, Quaternion.Euler. Those are words you will never speak in your life except right now. Quaternion.Euler.
What is this?
What
It
is
is
that?
it is like complex geometry stuff. A
It's like these are
quaternion.
ancient words.
Yeah. A quaternion is like a vector. Remember vectors? Vectors in Unity is basically x, y, z, right? It says where you are on the x, where you are on the y, where you are
Teacher,
on
my
the z.
computer just closed for no reason, and now I don't know if it will save.
Oh shoot! Actually, yeah, I should be saying always save. Your code might be saved. I don't know about your Unity.
I'm saving my code.
Go
right
ahead and boot it
now.
up and tell me what was lost, and I can try to help you.
I
Teacher,
saved my code.
Thank you.
I
teacher,
saved my code.
I'm going to copy the Quaternion thingy, and I'm going to open Google and translate it.
Yeah,
Google
quaternion
translate it.
is like a vector, but for rotation. You have your rotation, you rotate on the x, rotate on the y, rotate along the z. That's what a quaternion is. It's a really fancy word, but we're not done actually. We have to do Quaternion.Euler, left parenthesis, mouse y, comma space 0, comma space 0, semicolon at the end. Let me save that, Command S, show you the code there. Cam.transform.localRotation.
What did you do?
I've added after the word Euler, I just added left parenthesis, mouse y, comma 0, comma 0, semicolon at the end. What Quaternion.Euler does, ignore the weird word. Quaternion.Euler means rotate me. Rotate me in this particular way. In the mouse Y, here's the, you're rotating me in the x-axis, which is in an up and down motion. Imagine it like here's the x-axis. Imagine that's having pierced your player. Now imagine your x-axis rotating. That's going to make your player look up and down. So mouse Y here means move up and down however much we say mouse Y is. We already defined mouse Y up here. Don't move at all on the Y. Don't move at all on the Z. All right.
Oh, my heart is beating like crazy right now. What will happen?
So I'm going to now paste that code in chat. Because I'm now going to go off of it and
saved
then
my code.
good job. If anyone's still writing code, you can go and look at chat and see what code you need to write.
Saved my code.
Good job. In fact, everyone should be doing Command S or Control F at this point. And now, if you go in our Unity, here's a warning, it will not work right now. Not because we need to write more code, but because, oh, okay, apparently, oh, did I spell Quaternion wrong? Oh, shoot.
Teacher, I can run.
Oh shoot.
I'll help you in a moment.
I was
Oh, you
confused
totally
because it
can't.
said the name Quaternion does not exist in the current context. I was confused.
No,
Oh,
no, mine says-
Quaternion. It should be Quaternion. I forgot an N there. Quaternion. Yeah, Quaternion. Add an N there right after the R.
The hardest word to spell in human existence.
Yeah.
Teacher, can you?
I can't run.
Proud, I'll help you.
Teacher,
Can
you
in a moment.
copy the code? Okay.
So, if we now go to our Unity, is it working?
Teacher,
Oh.
it
No.
says. Teacher, it says all computer. No, all compiler errors have to be fixed before you can
Yes.
enter play mode.
That's because I made another error. I misspelled the word Euler. Yeah, it's an E instead of an A. My bad. It's ULER. Replace that A with an E in Euler. All right, is that it?
Those two words are very difficult to pronounce.
Yes. Okay, those are my two ones.
Say
I misspoke Quaternion and Euler.
Hey, it works
Euler
now.
3 times
Nice.
fast. Can anyone say Quaternion.Euler 3 times fast?
Quaternion, blah, blah. I failed right away. Okay.
Teacher, can you copy all the code?
Yeah. I can find. There we go. Oh wait,
Teacher.
don't actually don't copy that code I just sent because that code, okay, because mine is called lookscript, yours is gonna be called look. There you go, copy that code, the very latest one. Because again, mine is called lookscript, yours is gonna be called look. So if you've been copying code, make sure to go back up. If yours says lookscript, change that to look. But mine will
It's been a
stay
minute
lookscript.
and now I don't know what will
Teacher, I
happen.
can play it now, but I still can. I still can't like look up and down.
All right. Oh, look.
Teacher,
Yeah. The reason you can't look up and down, let me show you here, is
There's
because.
an error.
Teacher?
Please help me. There's
Alright,
a
everyone-
query.
Everyone, I'll help you guys in a moment. I just want to show everyone one thing here.
Teacher Quinn?
Yes,
Is the class end?
it will end in a
No.
moment.
Okay.
Here's one more thing we all need to do.
Okay.
I know I've gotten like a little too way too late here, but
Teacher, there's a lot of errors. I mean, I
Alright,
have
I'll help
4
everyone.
errors.
in a bit. But
Even
again,
though
for
I
now,
spelled Quaternion.Euler correct.
all right, everyone, look at the very bottom right here. It says look, it says speed. If you click on your player, very bottom right, look, then you got speed. Then you have cam. Cam with that public transform cam we had. And what you're going to need to do is go on the very top left, grab main camera like you did for putting it in player, like hold.
Teacher, there's an error. There's an error. There's
I'll
an
help you in
error.
a
There's
moment.
an error. There's an error.
Everyone?
There's an error.
Everyone, go ahead and do this one thing. Grab main camera and drag it all the way here into that none, and then transform. Right on the right of cam, says none transform.
Where?
Drop it in there. Main camera all the way to the very top left to the very bottom right. Main camera, put it right in there. And now when you click it, you can look up and down, and left and right.
Wait,
I
I accidentally made first person.
Oh yeah. In fact, if you want to, go ahead, grab your camera and just like move it into your person, because it looks a lot nicer in first person.
Yeah, teacher, but I still can go up and down.
There's an error. The Quaternion thingy. The Quaternion. 4 errors. There's 4 errors.
Teacher, I still,
can't do anything.
teacher, I still can't go up and down.
Teacher.
All right.
The
So
Quaternion thingy. It said they
let's do
have
this one
an
at a time
error.
here. Everyone, let's do this one at a time. Go ahead. If you have an error, share your screen, and then I will fix it one at a time.
Yeah. Quaternion thingy.
All right.
Thingy.
Okay. Quaternion. Oh yeah. That's an error I had too. It's spelled EULER. Replace the A with an E in the code. With a Quaternion.Euler. Replace
What?
the A with an E.
What?
Where it says
What?
Quaternion.Euler on line 28, the Euler, replace the A with an E.
There's an error. Teacher, let me share my code screen.
All right.
Where do I have to change the Quaternion thingy?
Line 28 says EULAR. That should be an ER. EULER.
Where?
Right after Quaternion. Quaternion dot.
Okay.
Oh no,
Did you
don't add
print,
it. Take out the A.
did you
Then
print,
2 characters over, right after the L.
done?
Take out that A,
This
add an E. Yeah, add an E. There we go.
teacher,
See that? That should work.
Teacher,
All right. Next person, go ahead and share your screen.
teacher,
Teacher,
I
there's
still can't look up and
teacher.
down.
Did you class N? And did you print?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Did you
Teacher, I
class N?
still can't look up and down.
Teacher
Thank you,
Quinn,
teacher.
Welcome.
Teacher,
did you class N?
teacher.
Oh wait, yeah. Actually, let me go ahead real quick. Okay, let me go ahead real quick. I'm gonna do like the ending ritual, and then I will help everyone out here. All right. Well, you should do it at the end. Okay. So if you have everything working, give me one moment, Proud. Yeah, if you have everything working, you can go ahead and leave. Hope you had a good time. We'll be here same time next week. Also, I'm gonna do a bit of self promo here. Where is my?
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Teacher, will the recording come today or tomorrow or something?
Teacher, teacher, I can't even look
Help
up
me.
and down yet. Help me
All right.
first.
Teacher, help me.
All right, yeah. So
I can't
Wait, who
run.
has
I
their
have
thing?
one error.
oh yeah, go ahead and share your screen. First when I do it, I'll help.
Teacher,
All right. Give me one moment. I'm gonna help Proud out. Then I'll get to yours. Okay, code alt looks good. Go to your Unity.
Okay.
Okay. Cam does not exist in current context. What?
I know the problem. You spell can. Can.
Oh
You-
yeah. Proud, go back to your
Cam.
code, please. Yeah, with the public transform, very top there, public transform, you have CAN, should be CAM, cam, like camera.
Yeah, it's M.
No,
ve-
the
at the top
public.
with his public transform, right under speed, public transform, you have can, should be cam.
Where?
You're actually real close, just one line
I'm
below.
already-
There we go.
I only have cam.
Teacher, there's 3 errors. I'm just gonna try to read and see what's wrong. Well,
Oh yeah,
I already fixed one error. Turns out I got a semicolon at the very last sentence, the very last thing.
Yeah.
I was like, Quaternion, you did.
Teacher, I can't save it. I pressed Control S, but it didn't save.
At the Quaternion.Euler.
oh,
At the Quaternion.Euler, I forgot.
What do I do? Teacher, what do I do? I can't look
All right,
up and down.
Quaternion.Euler.
yeah, Poon, actually, here, Poon,
Teacher, I can't save my code.
what happens when you click Control F?
Control S, and when I minimize it, it does nothing. I still have my mouse. It's supposed to load and have like a box when it's loading to save, but it didn't happen. I can't save it. And the error is still on my screen.
JP, your code looks correct. So if you have a problem, do your Unity later.
Teacher, tell me first because I need to go.
All right, Poon, actually, here, yours is really easy. So I'll show you real quick. Click on your player, very bottom, says cam, that should say like none transform. Drag the main camera, the very top left,
I think I
drag
did
it
it.
all the way down. Because I'm pretty sure you have it, because it has the error that would happen if you don't have
How
it.
do I do it?
Oh,
Teacher, why did I go sideways?
Teacher,
I
I
didn't
have
press
so many.
anything. I
have
just
so
pressed
many
run.
cubes. I have so many cubes.
Teacher,
Poon.
I just pressed run. I just pressed run and it just rolled away by itself.
Huh.
Uh,
Proud.
teacher.
I might have to look through your code after class, or Proud, I'll save you to the end because it seems like I would have to like really go through your code. Poon. Very top left is main camera. Hold
way.
left click. Move your mouse and you see you still have that main camera, like you're dragging it around. Drag it all the way to the bottom right. Drop it into the none transform.
I don't get it.
You see the main camera at the very top left, the word main camera.
Yeah.
Hold left click while on it, then move your mouse. You should see you still like have it. There's the arrow, says main camera. Then keep dragging that all the way to the bottom right. Should say look, then speed, then cam. Right side says none transform. Drop it in that little box.
Where is it? Teacher, can you see screen? I don't know where is it.
Yeah. Let me. There you go.
Like this?
Yep. Oh, go ahead and click on the player first.
Here.
Oh no. Yeah. Now on the right side, scroll all the way down. Right side, scroll all the way down.
Right side.
Yep. Okay, they see cam, then none. Go ahead and drag your main camera right into there.
Oh. Main camera.
There you go. That should work.
And then
Now I'm begging my computer to save it. No.
it does work, but I can't move the side.
Oh, right. Yeah. You have your main camera off your player now. Go ahead and like grab them, go off play. Grab the main camera again, and then move it all the way up, and you should start like scrolling up automatically. There you go. Drop it into capsule. There you go.
Oh.
Now it should work.
Teacher.
Yep.
The smooth controller. Do you remember?
Oh yeah.
The smooth controller. The Carlson thingy.
That
Jenny.
I might
Can you-
have to help you at some point. That's gonna be like a whole thing. Because yeah, I'm gonna have to figure out how to do that before I show you.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure I know how,
Teacher.
but if I show you right now, I'm gonna show you probably bad code.
Teacher, now my code is need to start new again.
All right. Everyone let me
Teacher.
help put a porn real quick.
Everything
right.
is saved, but
Okay,
I need
actually,
to make it new. Okay.
Yeah, I can go ahead. I'll paste my code in chat. You should be able to just copy paste it, and then there you go.
Okay.
And then you can like go on Unity, and then I'll walk you through what you have to do there. Hopefully your Unity saved. All right. Well, who next? I think Pepper and JP. Yeah, Pepper, you can go ahead. Oh, looks good. Yeah, good job. Nice. Great job. Looks cool. All right.
It slowly moved the block. When I touch the block and I hold W, it's like still walking, but it's like go and slowly go right. I mean left. Slowly go left and then go forward like that.
I'm first, but you all came like together.
Meow, meow, meow.
You all came together.
Hello, hello, welcome back.
Everyone came together, but I'm still the first.
Good job.
I'm just
I will say, because you're on a local, like, you're going to see yourself first before you see everyone else. So it's,
Yeah,
it's
I'm
very
just-
tough to say, like, who's first.
I'm quick with it.
Teacher, how do
Yep.
I fix the problem? How do you fix the problem that when you
Oh, yeah.
hold key wheel thingy?
Yeah, that's not a problem. That's just because, like, okay, you're going up to a wall, right? And you're looking a little bit to the right. So when you hold forward, you're going to slowly go to the right and like go past it. Like you're having force against the block. So your player is trying to go out of that force. It's gonna like hit it and then just fling over here. There's different ways to remove that, but it's not really a problem. One thing would be to add more friction to it. Oh, my voice is getting weird. Yeah, I would say that's not a problem. That's a very big deal right now. That's a problem that we try to figure out how to fix later.
Teacher, but the camera is so weird. Like the mouse is not like the real platformer. It's like going crazy. Even though I changed the speed, it's still like going crazy. I want it to be like just normal looking around. How do I do that? It's like going crazy. I don't know. I want my position of mouse to be like right there and not move anywhere because it's like
Oh yeah,
going
I forgot
crazy.
about
I
that.
want the
Yeah.
I got
to do
kicked
that.
out.
Oh yes, hello. Yeah, Unity hates me. Also I forget. Actually, let me.
No, my code. I have an error.
All right,
I have an
Pepper.
error.
I will show this again next week, but the way to do that is in your start function,
I have an
cursor.lockstate
error.
equals cursor lock mode bar. I'll
Teacher.
put it in chat. And Pepper, I put a bit of code in chat. Copy it, paste it into your start function, and you should have what you're looking for. I forgot to show everyone in class,
Teacher,
unfortunately. But,
error.
all right. Go ahead and if you can show me your screen, or however way you have showing code, copy pasting it in chat would be best.
No, I have to write down the new part. Yeah, I was kicked out.
Oh no, that's all good. Yeah. Oh, that last part was a little part I'm going to show again next week. But I just had I showed Pepper because they asked the question. Okay, I see 23. Oh. Okay, first of all, JP, line 22, you have mouseX minus equals, should be mouseY minus equals input on line 22. And then on line 23, you have mouseY, then Mathf, should be mouseY equals Mathf. That should be the main two problems. Oh,
I have
also,
one more error.
line, but both on line 20 and 20, or line 20 and 22, you have at the very end
What
get
was
access
the
mouse
math
X.
F part? What was
Oh yeah,
the
mouse
F?
should be mouse Y equals math F. An equal sign between the mouse Y and the math.
Teacher, my mouse just stopped for a second, and I know the button to stop the game. That was scary. Like, yeah, it was scary.
On JP, one more thing. On line 20 and 22, you have Input.GetAxis, right? After Input.GetAxis, the mouse X and mouse Y there inside the quotation marks should be capitalized. It should be capital M mouse X, capital M mouse Y.
No, teacher, when I run the code again, the mouse still shows. The mouse is still showing. Look, it's still wobbly thingy.
Oh yeah, go ahead and click it, play again, like try it one more time.
Whoop.
The one error is still there. It's still there. It's not gone.
The mouse still showing.
Go ahead and share your code.
Okay, I'll share my code. Here we go.
Are you sure you're not clicking like escape or something?
Yeah,
So
I click escape.
Yeah, that's gonna take the mouse off of the locked. That way you can actually like go out and stuff.
But how do I like do that and then just have the mouse escape, because I cannot stop the game without the mouse hiding.
Oh yeah. Basically keep the mouse hidden just to like do whatever you need to, then escape to leave the game.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how all games do it.
Command S. Do I have to do this again?
Oh no, everything looks
Oh,
good. Yeah, you were saved. All right. Anyone else have anything? All right, Katie. You can go ahead and share your screen.
100%. Where's Yoshi?
Oh.
My ball.
All right, Mercury. All that code looks good. Should have any errors? What does the error say?
The error says on line 9, 24, error, syntax error with comma.
I mean, I don't see anything happening on line 9. Float speed. Oh, you need equal sign. Speed equals 10. Yeah, float on line 9. Float speed equals 10. All right, Katie. If you can share your screen.
Whoa. And
No,
here
it's
it
still
is.
there. No, wait, now there's an error on line 10.
And what did it say?
On 1012, there is the type
Katie, shoot.
namespace name transform could not be found. Are you missing a using directive or an assembly reference?
Good. Oh, there we go.
All right, Katie. JP, help you in a moment. Katie. It seems like you're gonna need to log in again, maybe. Yeah, one thing to make sure is to not log in on the website, just log in from the Unity Hub. Yeah, I say for now, go ahead and try to do manage license, and then at the top there should say like sign in on the top right after click manage licenses, and then yeah, sign in, and then go ahead and like sign in, and then try that again. Hopefully that's the problem. All right.
Please.
JP, go ahead and share your screen again if you don't mind. Poot porn. Yeah, that looks good.
My circle is wrong. Wait.
I love the color scheme in there, Poot porn.
I fixed the equal, by the way.
All right. And what is the error saying now?
It says
Wow.
12, 9, 20. You want asset lock dot C sharp 10, 12 error CS 026 46
Go ahead
colon.
and take a picture of just the error and then share that screen.
Teacher,
Yep.
Share 3 screens, okay?
do I have to like Command S every time I press escape? Command S the code every time I press escape. How do I like when like green flag click forever like hide mouse?
You shouldn't need to do
pointer?
Command S or anything after escape. Just when you like click play on the game,
I need to Command S the code. The mouse pointer won't hide. If I press.
yeah. When you showed your screen, your code looked saved. It didn't have a circle, it had an X. I might have to, you know what, Pepper, I'm going to show that officially next week, so I can probably help you more with that next week, or when you put it on Facebook, I can just like see the code a little better. Because the code looks good. All right, JP, actually go ahead and show me your code one more time. Oh shoot, I accidentally set up your share. Line 10, public. Oh yeah, that transform should be a capital T.
Which one?
Line 10, it says public transform cam should be capital T. Because this isn't a transform like you're trying to get a transform. You're saying this is a type. This is a transform, not a particular transform. It's confusing, but basically when you're making a variable, do capital T transform.
Now there's an error on line 23.
All right, share your code again.
There's a lot of errors. So I'm gonna take a photo of this one and the new code.
Oh, teacher, I just have to like click on the screen.
Yes, right. I forgot about that.
Why is my voice in JP tablet? I can hear my voice like, dude, like that.
All right, let me look at your code. And what line do you say it was?
On line 23.
Line 23. mouseY equals math dot. Oh, it should be capital C clamp. Mathf.Clamp, that should be a capital C on clamp. That should be everything, hopefully. And yeah, Katie, you can share screen. Oh yeah, there we go. You got it. Good job.
Teacher.
Teacher, there is 99 plus errors.
Oh, what?
When I run, there's 99 plus errors when I run.
Oh wait. Katie,
Also
click
now
cancel.
that's all the
Make
way
sure
to
to
the
click
middle.
cancel. All right. Yeah, go off that. Click X on the very top right. You're good. You have a license now. You should be able to click it and it should open. There you go. Good job. And then probably gonna have to like watch the recording. The recording should be up in a couple of days.
Teacher.
All right. Yep.
Teacher, please. I don't know why my circle here is turned to long oval.
Oh shoot.
My scale is like It's just the same, but I don't know why. Why is it
Are you sure your
rotation?
scale is all 1, 1, 1?
Why is my rotation like this?
Rotation shouldn't be that big a deal. To create that, it should just be scale that's like squishing it. Because I can't see it from here, but your scales don't look like 1. They look like 0.5 or something.
0.1, let's say 0.1.
Oh yeah, it shouldn't be 0.1. It should all be 1, just 1. Yeah, you might need to change rotation too.
Is my game
I
too
can't move
small?
my Y.
Is my game too small?
No, looks good.
Because if my turn 1 is my circle is so big.
Oh, what? Oh, Okay, go back to 0.1. Huh, interesting.
Teacher, I
I
can't
will make
move
a
my
new
Y.
one later.
Yeah, you might want to, one thing would just be to change, I guess one thing would be to change 0.1 to like point, maybe 0.05 or like 0.02, and then change the scale on the Y one. You have X, Y. Change that Y to like 0.2. That'd be one temporary fix. To like just like morph it back to where it should be.
1, no, 0, 9.
Can you help me yet?
Yeah, actually, Proud, go ahead and share your Unity.
What the heck?
Okay, finally.
Thank you for your patience.
Teacher, where are you? Where do you live? America?
Yeah, I'm in New Mexico.
Mexico.
All right, Proud.
Crocodile from Mexico.
I can't see it from here. Is there I saw like a red, oh, there we go.
Right
There
here.
the variable player of camera has on the side. Okay, on the right side, scroll all the way down for me. All right, whoa, one thing you do now before doing anything else, go ahead on the left side. Do you remember how to put your camera into that where it says cam.transform? Just drag main camera into the right side there.
Which part?
Actually, not near the top. It's cam, then none, TRAN.
Oh, this?
Yeah. So just grab the main camera and drag into there. There you go. And now go ahead and drag the main camera into the player as well. Main camera to drag it right back on the left where it says player, right underneath platform. There you go. All right. What else here? Go ahead and play it and let me see what happens.
I'm not gonna click anything. And
Oh,
then
whoa. Man, it
I'm
just
not
goes
clicking
flying right
anything,
away.
but I'm just spinning.
All right, go ahead and click play there. All right, click play to go
Why
off
is
of
my
that.
circle spinning? But I can move my screen with my mouse.
Yeah, probably go ahead and click play to get off of that. I believe I know the answer. Click on your player. Now scroll down on the right side. Okay, scroll up slowly. Huh. Up more. Yeah, keep going up. More. Huh. All right, click on your main camera. Because you shouldn't be able to move right now. Oh, yeah, click on your main camera. Okay, where it says camera script on the bottom right, very bottom right camera, go ahead and delete that. 3 dots on the very right.
Teacher.
There you go, remove component. All right, now, please wait me 1 second. Now, Proud, don't double click, just click 1 time where it says movement near the bottom, the hashtag movement. Click 1 time on there.
Where?
Very bottom near the middle, right in the middle of the bottom. says movement, click one time on the big green hashtag.
I don't see it. Oh, here.
I fixed it. Okay, I fixed the error.
All right, so Proud. Go ahead, drag that into the player.
I believe I didn't do that.
There we go. Okay, now double click on movement to open it up. And then,
Wait, I have.
you see, that's the old movement code. I will now.
No, that was my look movement.
Okay. But go ahead and open up movement. Now that's on your player.
Yeah.
And then go in chat. And then copy the new code, which was if.
So
really
I have
the
to
old code.
delete everything?
Oh, wait. Yes, delete everything. Actually, don't copy the code I just sent. That's the wrong code. Yeah, delete everything, because that's the movement code from 2 weeks ago.
I deleted.
Here is the code from last week.
I start deleting from this.
All right.
Like
Yeah,
this.
delete all of the. Make sure to delete the movement code, not the look code. The movement code. And
Yeah,
then
this
I have.
is the movement code.
All right.
All of this code.
Yeah. All right, your screen isn't shared, by the way, so I'm not entirely sure, but I'm pretty sure. And then chat here, I have the code we used last week. It's just the old code from the old project that you wrote.
I have to copy all this code.
Yeah. Just the one I just sent here to you.
That's a lot.
All right, and Putaporn. What is your issue? I forget.
I think my Unity is cursed right now.
Yeah, it looks pretty cursed.
My camera is why is my camera like this? And look, at my circle is like half the line of the.
Apparently, I can now jump off the world border. Apparently.
Putaporn, I truly am. I have no idea how that happened. My bet is that you might have everything in a child that's really small.
Okay, I think I create a new one.
Yeah, probably.
Teacher,
You can go ahead and use the old code and stuff.
I pasted it like this.
All right, yeah, go ahead and save that. And then, yep, that should all be good.
Control S.
Yep. And then if you go in your Unity, it should now work.
Okay, yeah. My screen is paused.
I think I need to like do an entire day.
I still have an error.
Can you go down to it? And like click on it so I can see.
What?
Type. Oh, okay. Go to your movement code if you don't mind.
Okay.
All right, now scroll up for me. All right. Oh, I see. You have this like extra bit of code here.
Where?
Okay. Scroll down slowly, if you don't mind.
Bye, teacher.
Goodbye. All right, now scroll all the way back up, Proud. Okay. You see right where your mouse is. Go to the left. Okay, see it says public class. Now the line right above it says UnityEngine. The line right above that one says collections. Above that says system. Now at the very left of that one, there's a right or left curly brace. Go ahead and start selecting from there, and then just go all the way up and delete all of that. So from that part, that left curly brace.
This?
No. Go back up to using System.Collections. That's 3 lines up.
Oh,
There
here.
you go. Yeah. Now don't delete that one, but starting from the left, there we go. go one to the right. Oh no, don't go that way. Go the other way, starting right at the left curly brace. So make sure to include the yeah. There we go. Click all delete. Delete all that.
Backspace.
Yep. And then there's one more that there's a left curly brace right next to your cursor. Just that. Oh no, sorry. Yeah, right at the very top. Delete that one left curly brace. There we go. Now it should all work. Make sure you save. Should work now.
Save. I still haven't have errors.
All right.
Why?
Share screen.
Why do I have so many?
All right, where are these errors?
Three errors.
Okay, 48, 50, 51. Oh, I know it. Okay, go back to your code.
Which one? Movement?
Movement. All right, very bottom. Last three lines there, the last three right curly braces, delete those three.
I was thinking that why was there so many curly braces? Did I have to delete it? I was thinking that.
Yeah, it's like a copy and pasting thing where like you deleted part of the code, but not all of the code. And so when you pasted it, you have like this all more code within your old code. Now save it. Now it should work. All right.
Oh my god.
I'm going to go out now.
Yes. Good job. All right. That's all I'm going to do.
Bye.
I believe that was everyone. Okay. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.
I didn't save it. I'm clicking Control S, but I can't save it.
Okay,
Good night, teacher.
Good night. Goodbye.
Control
Bye.
S. Control S.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.
See you
Proud.
later.
Hey,
I
okay.
can't save it.
Yeah, share your code one more time, Proud.
Okay. Oh, wait. I think it's saved.
Oh,
Yeah,
it's
it's
saved.
fine.
Yep. All right. Good job.
It just took so much time.
Yeah. All right.
Let me try.
Good job, everyone. That was a very long class. Good job for taking through it.
I'm
Very good.
crazy.
Good job, everyone.
Teacher, wait. Teacher, wait.
Okay.
Wait, teacher. I'm spinning like crazy.
Oh, right.
Why?
All right. I'll help you on Facebook. I'm sorry, I can't do it anymore.
Why?
Post your code and your
Like
Unity
this.
on Facebook. Make sure to
Why
post
is my
all
camera
your.
spinning?
I believe I know the answer, but I can't do it anymore because it is very late for
Camera
me.
is spinning like crazy.
But on Facebook, paste your Unity and your all your code files.
Oh my
Make sure to
God.
post it, like click on your player and scroll at the very bottom to like see the code there. And then I will I try to help you out on Facebook. I believe I know the problem, but
so hard.
you know what? Actually, real quick, share Unity one last time. I believe I know the problem.
Okay.
And this isn't it. I will have to help you later.
Oh my God.
All right, click on your player.
Here.
And then slowly scroll down. All right. Go ahead and delete that rigid body. Like scroll up.
Good body.
Yeah, there we go. Rigid body. See if that helps fix it.
Let's see. What?
Oh, there we go. Look at that.
Yes.
All right.
Finally.
Good job. Later, if you want,
How
you
do
can
I
drag your
color
camera.
my? How do I color?
It is go off play. You right click on the assets, material. There should be a box on the left.
I don't know.
Okay. I will. Okay. down by assets, next to those like hashtags. Yeah, it won't be there. Down by assets near the middle.
Middle.
Bottom middle. Oh no, it won't be there. Bottom middle, like right under assets, where all those like green hashtags are. That's your assets area. Right in the middle there. The whole middle of the screen. Yeah.
Here.
Yeah. Like right click in that area, like right in these scenes, for example.
Right click scenes.
Not in it, like underneath it. Yeah.
Underneath it.
Yeah, click on where is that? Or should you very top says create. Okay. Now go to the right, bottom says material. There we go. Oh, not very bottom.
Material?
Back up. There we go. Material. Click that. Right side, there's a big white box at very top right. Double click that. There's a color wheel. Then go ahead and drag that circle and assets into your player, and it should be good. All right, hope you had a good time. I'm leaving.
Thank you,
because it's super late for me.
teacher.
Thank you.
I have a
Great.
question.
Yep.
What
Bye.
is pin?
Bye.
What is pin?
What?
What is pin on the Zoom?
Pin?
There's
Oh, on
Yeah.
Zoom? Oh, it just means like you can pin a person so that they appear bigger at like first. That's all it means.
teacher, but how do you like when you close the camera? There's a picture. I don't know how to do that.
Oh yeah, I'm not sure.
Okay. Good
Yeah, I'm
night,
not sure how to do
teacher.
that. Good night. Thank
Bye.
you. Goodbye.